I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. Today, I want to talk to you about your name. Picking your name is going to really determine who you are going to be. It'll attract attention. My personal recommendation is use your actual name. You can always include descriptions and things that are helpful to find your channel. Having your name on there identifies it as yours. If you do decide to use something besides your name, I'm going to tell you right now, make sure that you are following community guidelines. That is the most important thing. Here are a couple other tips for you. You'll want to have 5 syllables or less for your name. It makes it a lot easier to remember, which means you also need to have 30 characters or less. Once again, that goes into following in line with making it easier to remember, which goes to the next point. Make sure it's easy to remember. So don't have a whole bunch of digits and numbers that don't make any sense. If it's not going to be your personal name, have it be something that's easily identifiable, easy to remember, so that when people see it, they're like, oh, that's what it is. Or if they're looking for something, they know exactly what to look for. Also, make sure it's easy to spell. You don't want to have a whole bunch of complicated words in there and stuff like that. Use plain language so that it's easy for people to find it with a simple search. Also, ideally, you don't want to have any numbers in there. Most people don't have numbers in their names. It doesn't make it easy to find. Use numbers if you want to. Feel free to do that, but I don't usually recommend it. Last tip I'm going to give to you is make sure that it's unique. And this is why I also suggest that use your name, because your name is going to be unique to you. Yes, there are people out there that have similar names. However, how many of them are YouTubers? So make sure you're using something that's unique, different, goes outside of the box. I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a YouTube success.